how's everyone doing? So I have an awesome sewing studio haul to share with you from this past week. So first, we got all kinds of awesome cutting supplies, which are new. Some of these you maybe haven't seen before. These ones are for cutting precise little areas. Reminds me of like a hummingbird for some reason. Can you imagine it flying through the air, right? So I think this one will be awesome for applique and cutting out little pieces of lace. Also got these awesome ergonomic ones so they won't hurt your wrist when you cut. Check out that angle that they're on, pretty wild. And these ones are really cool. So I feel like they hurt us when we couldn't get through really thick fabrics, and these ones are designed to go through really thick and heavy fabrics. Awesome. And we all love a brand new rotary cutter because sharp new rotary blades are amazing. As long as you don't put your hand in front of them, don't do that. And it's got this cool design on it that's, I believe, inspired by the earth. Looks like it could be a stone of sorts or a sunset. Super fun. But it doesn't stop there. We also got another rotary cutter, awesome quilting ruler or cutting ruler, and a mat. This is going to be so handy for all the holiday projects coming up. I know I'm really excited about the holidays and doing a lot of handmade things. And we got this new kit that has a seam gauge, a clear ruler, a seam ripper, a measuring tape, snips, and scissors. So A, this is great for beginners, but B, this is just great to update what you already have with some new supplies, right? Yeah. So super excited to start using all those things in the studio. And next, we got a fabric haul here. So, hello pink shiny sequences. How fun is this? So I had to order some fabrics online for a project and my cart wasn't enough to check out. So naturally, I went for the shiny pink sequences. I think I want to do an awesome kind of like teddy romper bodysuit thing out of this. Something fun and crazy I could wear under a snowsuit for an awesome photo shoot. What do you think? Yeah? Okay, I think so too. And next, this one is actually going to be for you guys too. This beautiful, stunning lace. There's tons of it. I fell in love with it. It is lace, it has sequins on it, and it also has cording of flowers on it. It's absolutely beautiful. So I will have this available on the new website, AnastasiaChatzka.com or Sew Anastasia, so that way you can make a beautiful dress out of this fabric too. And I'll be doing a tutorial of a ball gown with it. I'll be draping one and then sewing it so you guys can follow along or use my techniques to create your own. But it doesn't stop there. We got some contrasting fabrics here. So we have a navy blue chiffon, absolutely beautiful. We can do some fun drapey things with that. And we have some gold stretch satin. Loving it. So I think all three of these fabrics will be very elegant together, and we can do some really fun layering techniques because they're all different textures. I love mixing textures together along with prints, but we don't have any prints, but we do have this beautiful lace. So we are gonna make that our accent piece for sure. And the studio haul does not stop there. You'll notice these sewing machines behind me. So we got 3 new machines for the studio for sewing classes. Super excited. So we have the H class here, and then we also got 2 of the Husky Lock S21s. So if you're in Chicago and you're taking sewing classes with me, you get to use these next time you're in the studio. Or if you're from out of state and you want to come in and sew with us, come on in, let me know when you're in town, and we'll make room for you in a class. So these are all the really fun things I got this week for the sewing studio. Hope all you guys' projects are going awesome. I know I can't wait to get creative and use all of these new things in the studio. Have a good night. Bye. I'd absolutely love to see what projects you guys are working on right now. If you tag me on Instagram at Sew Anastasia, I'll repost in my story. Yay! See you later.